What is going on today, guys? I hope you guys are well. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. I know I gotta bug you with that because after all, it is free 99. It's something you could do. It don't cost you anything. So I ask you to please do that if you like the video and if you only like the video. Also, I do have a Discord link in the description. If you guys would like to join that, if that's something you guys are interested in, go ahead and do that. That is also free 99. Almost forgot, my name is Tyler, so that is what you can call me. But let's get into the point of this video. We are talking about CCIV right now. There's a lot of rumors, there's a lot of false news going around. I want to clear the air and tell you guys and show you guys what's really going on, because after all, we cannot make an accurate investment decision listening to rumors. There's strategies like buy the rumor, sell the news, everybody's heard about, and we'll get into that, but you cannot make an educated investment off of something that is a rumor. Alright guys, with that being said, let's get into what the hell happened to CCIV today. This thing, it started off down 40 minutes into the market, 6% down, and then within the matter of 10 to 15 minutes shot up to 20% up. And I seen this, I caught it at about 10%. I bought in shares at like 17, 18 bucks. We could look right here. What's my average? 18.50. Okay, so I was very wrong. I expected this to trade sideways once it hit 20%, maybe 15, even 10%. I could see that, but it really started. It really went negative after around 2:30 for a brief period, and that really made me wonder, did I jump the gun? Guys, the answer to that is no. Anybody that bought today did not jump the gun. Let me tell you why. This company, unlike some of the other EV companies that didn't even have plans relatively soon to get vehicles on the road, this company does. Launching their first vehicles, this one you see on screen at $69,900 in the spring. And that is big. That is big to actually be an EV company right now and have a timeline. That means if Lucid Air, I was reading, would be valued around $15 billion. Right now, what we could check what the market cap is on this right now, $4 billion. So essentially, they'd be, 4 or 5 times this price. The share price should be, right, to reflect the valuation. And besides that, the cars are beautiful. And Lucid, so basically, you, in simplest terms, you could charge your house and run your house if the power went out, because the way they made the batteries is a two-way circuit, so energy can go in and energy can come out. So that's how they made it, and that is another really cool thing I like, because imagine if you were on a road trip or something, and mind you, these batteries, like 517 mile range, that is on the top tier. Right off the top of my head, I cannot think of any auto EV makers that have batteries that long range. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's about that for different EVs. Nevertheless, guys, I don't think any of us can argue that 517 miles per charge is bad. And with this ultra fast 900V charging nationwide network, it supposedly will charge your car in 20 minutes. So that is a lot better than a lot of the rest of the competition. Only time will tell though how accurate that statement is. I don't put too much weight on that. It is good, but I don't see them saying 20 minutes and then it turns out to be an hour or something. Even 45 minutes would be too long if you say it's 20 minutes for a full charge. But let's get into this article that says that Lucid Motors is going to be competing directly with Tesla. Going on and getting into the article, it is from Investor Place. It is titled CCIV Stock, What to Know About Churchill Capital Shares After Trading Halt. It says Churchill Capital the fourth is racing higher on Friday, even after triggering a circuit breaker earlier this morning. In fact, after trading resumed, shares are once again up 9%. So what do you need to know about CCIV stock, and how does a Lucid Motors SPAC merger play in? Okay, and then it goes on to say, to start, investors have been chasing up CCIV stock on a lot of speculation. This is because Bloomberg reported earlier this week that electric vehicle maker Lucid Motors was in talks to come public with Churchill Capital. The news has been incredibly influential, especially as Lucid Motors represents a real opportunity in EVs. Yes, they do. It plans to start delivering its Air EV in the second quarter, and with a former Tesla engineer at its helm, many see it as a possible Tesla killer. I mean, just take a look at these cars for a second. Like freaking beautiful, just beautiful. I want one. I think Lucid and Xpeng have the most beautiful cars. Besides Neo, I think that the E7 is just phenomenal too. But let's keep going. However, Churchill Capital leader Michael Klein and Lucid Motors have not confirmed a deal at an IPO Edge event earlier this week. Klein acknowledged the rumors but said he could not share anything at the time. Even with those cautionary words, investors are determined. What does it mean if you're somebody like me and you hold shares of CCIV right now? Well, for me personally, if it comes out to be true that this is a true rumor, which, keep in mind, it could take a couple weeks for that, I think it will culminate up. I think people will not care about the whole $10 secured shares. That every dollar this goes up, it does get more and more risky. If you're buying in at $20, then you're essentially risking half of your whole position if, let's say, merger did not go through and the shares went back down to $10. With that being said, I think it is a phenomenal deal to get in on this company. Am I going all in on it? No. I have way bigger positions. This is probably 3% of my account. I didn't look exactly. I think it's 3 point something percent. So it's not a terribly big portion. I just want skin in the game. I want to be able to really honestly hold the shares long term if the deal does go through. If it doesn't, then I have no purpose holding Churchill Capital shares if it's not going to merge with Lucid Air or even another good company, but really just Lucid Air. That's all I'm concerned with. But as far as the deal going through, I think it's in everybody's best interest to go through. Lucid Air would have a lot more access to capital via raising shares or institutional investors, more so of them. So as far as that, I think the deal will go through. As far as starting a position, like I said, just be mindful that these shares are only secured to $10. So anything after that, basically every 100 shares for every dollar, let's say the stock's at $11, you bought 100 shares, you're risking $100. So you're like, if you bought in right now around 20 bucks, 18, 19, 20 bucks, you're essentially risking 50% of your position you invest with. So just be mindful of that. It can happen. Does it happen very often? No, but it can happen. So just be mindful of that. And I think that's everything you need to know. I think that's everything anybody knows. And if somebody's saying otherwise, then have them source the information so everybody can get to it, because that's all we got so far. So with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of CCIV. I would like to hear your guys' thoughts and how you guys are playing this. So that's all I got for you guys. Until next time, y'all, peace out.